This is Daniel Batten from Northern New England Conference of Seventh-day Adventists, and I'm going to illustrate how to do a bank reconciliation. When you receive your bank statement, this should be your cue to do your bank reconciliation, provided you've completed the previous month's entries. Simply go to the button that says Reconcile, and I'll be illustrating the bank reconciliation from November 2008 for the White Memorial Church. As an example, I have pulled the bank statement minus the information of the account itself here, and this shows the items that cleared the month. The big things we're looking for is what items here do we have for deposits. Secondly, I'm also going to be looking to see, okay, what expense items, what checks cleared the bank, and that will be another important item. And thirdly, it may be important to take a look at how much bank interest was paid, and we may need to make an entry for that. So with that background, let's go back into Jewel. The first step is to put the ending date, which was November 30, 2008 from the bank statement. And we want to put the ending balance of the bank statement, which is this figure right here, the $45,362.38. And then once we put that in, you'll see that we have under the box of the picture of the flowers, balances and a difference of 1473.63, but we've got to mark off the cleared items. If we go back to the bank statement and take a look at the deposits that have cleared, we'll see that we've got 4 different deposits that have cleared. So let's go back to Jewel and mark those off. So we see that $86.38.97 cleared, the deposit for $35.22.82 cleared, the deposit for $84.72.77 cleared, and also deposit for $83.23.21 did not clear. However, this deposit for $79.32.31 did not clear. And that is common for the deposit from the last Sabbath of the month not to clear, especially if it's not getting deposited till the following Monday, which may be into the next month. The next step is to come down to checks written and bank fees. And now we're going to look at the checks that have cleared the bank statements. So we come down and we look at the checks. We'll just kind of highlight all of them here. We can see which ones cleared. I'm not going to go over every one of these, but we're going to pretty much mark a check mark in Jewel by all the particular checks that cleared. And we see that there's a few that did not clear, but most of them cleared. So we run down the list. Check 1426 cleared, 27, 28, 1429 cleared. 1430 did not, but it's a void, 0 check, so therefore, in essence, it clears because it's a 0 anyway. 1431 looks like they clear all the way in numerical sequence all the way to check number 1440. So we'll mark them all off and scroll down a little bit here. And then at 1440 we had check 1442 cleared, 1443 cleared, and check 1445 cleared. And we can double check that looking at the list of checks cleared, and we see they all cleared. 1441 did not clear, and 1444 did not clear, and anything above 1445 did not clear as well. So once we've marked that all off, we come and we see we have a difference of $3.39, and I can guarantee you what that is if you take a look up here. The bank interest that was paid was $3.39. So what we do over here, we come to new entry, and we're going to put the checking account interest of $3.39, and then the description is going to be November 08 bank interest. We add this entry. It marks it off automatically as cleared when we add it within the reconciliation. The difference is now 0. We click OK, and we choose yes to print a report. After you've done the bank reconciliation and printed the report will look something like this, with the cleared deposits and interest earned. This is showing all the items that we've just marked off as clearing the bank statement. And then here's the important part, starting with this part. In my opinion, it shows the uncleared items, which shows why the bank statement balance is different than what the book balance is. And so in my opinion, that's the important part right there. And then it comes down, it demonstrates how the book balance and the bank balance, what the difference is between them.